Okay, let's see if we can do this with the motor running. We have the LS MT226E, and I want to focus on the backhoe right now because of what we just pulled out of the culvert ditch. So the backhoe is the LB3001, and look at the size of this slab that we just picked up with it. I mean, this thing is 5 foot from tip to tip, and about 5-6 inches thick. This backhoe is a beast.